What's up, Peak Timers? Today we're going to get you up to date on the latest in Hot Wheels news. We're going to talk about some new main lines, some sets, some premium sets, as well as super treasure hunts. Let's get started. And first up for main lines, we've got a new color for the Range Rover Velar. Looks like it's in black. We first saw this one in silver, and then we got a Kroger exclusive in white. I'm really liking the look of all the colors that have been released of this one so far. Next up, we have the Alpine A110, which is in a new color variation with Tampa work. It looks like this one's going to be released exclusively in 3 packs. Then we've got a recolor of the Porsche 911 GT2. I'm liking the look of this Miami blue with the black wheels and the chrome lip on them. Speaking of blue, we've got the Porsche 918 Spider in this new blue color. We've seen some concept pictures of this. Now we've got the actual pictures of this car, which will also be featured as a super treasure hunt. We've got a recolor of the Batmobile in gold chrome, the Nissan Silvia S14, the Honda Monkey Z250, Mazda RX-7, 49 Volkswagen Beetle pickup, wheelie chair, turbocharged, and we're slowly getting more pictures of the Zamac edition of the 2016 Bugatti Chiron. And check out this actual picture of the 2020 Hot Wheels Exotics 5-pack. It features the Cadillac El Mirage, the Jaguar F-Type Project 7, the Porsche 911, the McLaren F1 GTR, my favorite, and the Aston Martin DBS. Keep a close eye out in your local stores, as you should be able to find this right now. Moving on to some sets, we've got a Fast and Furious Mainline Edition set. Let's take a look at some exclusive pictures of new cars featured in this set. First up is the Lamborghini Gallardo LP560-4 in white with the mesh wheels. Next up, we've got the Nissan 370Z in yellow with black wheels. And then from the new Hobbs & Shaw movie, we've got the McLaren 720S in this gray looking color. And it looks like the Walmart exclusive camo set has finally hit the pegs. And here is all 5 cars: the Nissan Skyline, the Honda Civic, the Ford Mustang, the Chevy Camaro, and the El Camino. Let me know in the comments down below, which car do you like most out of this new camo set? We also have coming a recolor of the 71 Datsun 510 in a flying custom set. And moving on to some premium stuff, if you're an RLC member, you can pick up the Nissan Skyline GTR BN R34 in purple, and there will also be a Ford F-150 Raptor in this really nice looking Golf livery. And we just got in some better pictures of the new Team Transport set featuring the RWB Porsche 930 with aero lift, the 1970 Plymouth Superbird with wide open, and the Mazda 787B with Sakura Sprinter. You should be able to find this in stores very soon. And check out this exclusive Hot Wheels mail-in Volkswagen with the big opening body on it and real riders. And we've got some exclusive real-life pictures of the Nissan Car Culture set featuring the Datsun 510, the Nissan Fairlady Z, the Nissan Laurel 2000 SGX, and Aerolift. And here are some real-life pictures of the premium Hot Wheels Boulevard set featuring the Bone Shaker, the Nissan Skyline GTR, the Volkswagen Bus, the 83 Chevy Silverado 4x4, and the 67 Camaro. We've also got some real life pictures of the brand new Hot Wheels Premium Fast and Furious set Fast Tuners featuring the Honda Civic EG, the Mazda RX-7, the Subaru WRX STI, the Nissan 240SX S14, and the Nissan Silvia S15. There's also a new Hot Wheels Legends Tour exclusive gasser in this really nice looking gold color featuring real riders. And here we have some pictures of the Hot Wheels Premium Car Culture Cruise Boulevard set featuring the Toyota Supra, the Volkswagen Classic Bug, the custom 93 Nissan Hardbody pickup truck, the 2014 custom Mustang, and the 69 Chevelle SS 396. And for Hot Wheels ID, check out this in-package Motosaurus. And moving on to Super Treasure Hunts, like every year, Hot Wheels releases a full complete set of the Super Treasure Hunts from that year. Here is the 2019 Super Treasure Hunts complete set. And for 2020 Hot Wheels Super Treasure Hunts, we've got some pictures of them beside their mainline. First, it's the Ford GT40 featuring the mainline and the Super Treasure Hunt. And we've got the 1988 Honda Civic CRX Super Treasure Hunt beside its mainline. You are now up to date with everything new in the world of Hot Wheels. Make sure you smash that thumbs up, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye bye.